Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to schedule a bulk force requiring password change at the next sign-in for Google Workspace users using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations scale, ensuring regular password updates for users is essential for maintaining security and compliance. However, manually forcing password changes for each user can be time-consuming and prone to errors. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. IT admin can use xFanatical Foresight to schedule a bulk password change requirement at their next sign-in, ensuring timely and consistent password changes for all employees without manual intervention. This feature improves security, saves time, and enhances overall administrative efficiency. Let's dive in and see how it works. The template is designed with 2 rules to simplify and streamline the bulk updating of employee information. Rule 1. This rule automates the process of requiring users to change their passwords at their next sign-in. Rule 2. This rule automates the seamless upload of user data, triggering Rule 1 to enforce a password change for selected users, ensuring streamlined security management. Rule 1. Bulk require password changes for users. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Schedule Bulk Require Password Changes for Users and click on it. In the Schedule Bulk Require Password Changes for Users page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Require Password Changes for Users will display. Click Next. No configurations required. Click Review. Customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Schedule uploading data to rule. In the Schedule Bulk Require Password Changes for Users page, click Download Sample CSV File. In the downloaded CSV file, delete the sample data from the user primary email column. Then enter the actual primary email of each user whose password you want to require to be changed as part of the scheduled bulk update. In the Schedule Bulk Require Password Changes for Users page, click Copy Rule 2. In the Time screen, in the Ticker Time field, select the exact time when users are required to change their passwords at their next Google account sign-in. Click Next. In the Upload Data to Rule screen, in the CSV File Source field, select the CSV file downloaded from the template. In the Rule field, select the specific rule where you want to upload the prepared data to initiate the automation process. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions outline how xFanatical Foresight automates the process by scheduling bulk password changes for users in Google Workspace. Before starting the automation, go to Google Admin Console, then Users, then Username, then Security, then Require Password Change. Make sure the toggle is set to Off. This means the user isn't currently required to change their password. Note: for demonstration purposes, we set the trigger time field in the time trigger to 15 minutes from now. Go to the Rules page. At the scheduled time, Rule 2 will automatically execute and upload the CSV file to Rule 1 for further processing. Wait for the scheduled time, and once Rule 2 is triggered, you'll receive a notification in the top right. Click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. After Rule 2 completes execution, Rule 1 will automatically begin processing the uploaded CSV file. Wait until the CSV file is processed. You'll receive another notification for Rule 1. Click View Log to confirm successful execution. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Go to Google Admin Console, then Users, then Security, then Require Password Change. Confirm that the Require Password Change toggle is now turned on. This indicates that the automation has successfully enforced the password reset at their next sign-in. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.